Hello friends, today we are making this beautiful daisy flower. It is very easy to make. It takes around 10 minutes maybe. You can try it, it's quite easy. You can use any color you like inside it. I am using a yellow color. You can go with a light green and green color as well. It looks beautiful. I hope you will like it. So let's start. I have 2.5 mm hook size. We will start it with the magic ring. Magic ring. Chain 1 and make single crochet around the ring. We'll make 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now pull the yarn and slip stitch in the first chain. Make slip stitch in first chain. Now we are changing the color, so we will cut the yarn here. So pull the yarn. So now between these two chains we will bring it down like this. This is the middle of the flower. You can make it in any color you like. It will look good with the green color as well. So the middle of the flower is ready. So here we have the chain like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have around 9 chains. Slip knot, make a slip knot and the first chain, take the yarn and pull the yarn through. In the next chain we will make a single crochet. Now chain 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 6, double crochet in second chain. Make double crochet, double crochet in next chain again. Now we have 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, now we have 4 double crochet, 1 2 3 4 in this chain we will make half double crochet, half double crochet. So the petal looks like this. Now we will take this 2 loops and make a slip stitch, and the petal is ready. For the next petal we will go in this chain, pull the yarn, make single crochet, again chain 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again in second chain we will make double crochet, 1 2 3 and 4, 4 double crochet and 1 half double crochet, and next in these 2 loops we will make slip stitch. So slip stitch. Now in the next chain we will make single crochet, chain 6, double crochet in second chain, three, and this is the 4th one, 4 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and last these 2 loops we will make a slip stitch, and your petal is done. So finished with the slip stitch. In the next chain we will make a single crochet, again chain 6, and we will follow the same steps. Here we have one chain last. I want to keep it inside, so single crochet, chain 6, we have a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 petals. So for the last one in second chain again, four double crochet, 3 and 4, 4 double crochet. Now last single crochet and slip stitch in the base of the flower, and after slip stitch, first chain we will make a last slip stitch to connect the flower together like this, and chain 1 and lock. Is ready. Now you can cut the yarn, pull the extra, and you can fix it inside it with needle. You can fix it inside, and your daisy flower is ready. I hope you like it. If you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Till the next video, bye.